Welcome all. The purpose of today's session is that we have launched a new course in the manual testing. This course is for everybody. If you are not from a manual testing background and you want to start your career as a manual tester, this course is best for you. And if you are already in the manual testing and but you want to be expertise on that, then also this course is for you. Okay, so now we will start with the some introduction about the trainer. The trainer has 17 plus year experience. Total experience in, you can say, in workshop is that is 10 plus years. 2,000 hours session experience he have. Number of candidates till now he has attended, that is 2,000 plus. Now he has given the workshop at different level, and he has given the workshop as a freelancer in USA, UK, Australia, and Singapore. If you talk about the interest, the teaching is not just like a, you can say, profession. Teaching is a passion for him. Okay, so now we'll directly go to the course content part. The first part of the course is that introduction of the software testing. Here we are going to talk about what is software testing, what is quality, importance of testing, tools used for testing, manual and automation testing, principles of software testing here. Then we have software development life cycle, that is called SDLC. We are going to talk about the SDLC and SDLC phases, requirements and analysis, design, development, testing, deployment, operation and maintenance. Then we are going to talk about the SDLC models, waterfall model, V model, spiral model, iterative model, and the agile model. Then we are going to talk about the development architectures like one-tier architectures, two-tier architectures, three-tier architectures, and n-tier architecture. Then we are going to talk about the STLC, that is software testing lifecycle. What is STLC? Entry and exit criteria. STLC phases: requirement analysis, test planning, test design, test execution, sign off, test scenario preparation, test case preparation, test environment and test data preparation, requirement traceability matrix. Then we are going to talk about levels of testing, testing techniques used in level of testings, white box testing technique, black box testing technique, unit testing, integration testing, system testing, functional testing, non-functional testing, and user acceptance testing. These are the levels of the testing. Now we are going to talk about the different types of testing which can be performed. Functional testing, white box testing, black box testing, positive testing, negative testing, beta testing, live environment testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, regression testing, formal testing, informal testing, monkey testing, retesting, risk-based testing, non-functional testing, performance testing, load distance testing, usability testing, accessibility testing, and security testing. So in this course, you will see that we have covered everything which is needed to be a good manual tester. Effective software metrics we are going to discuss: test case productive preparation, test execution summary, test case coverage, defect acceptance, defect rejection, test efficiency, effort variation, schedule variations. Then we are going to talk about the RTM, that is called requirement traceability matrix, forward traceability, backward traceability, bidirectional traceability, examples of RTM and test coverage. Then we are going to talk about the different testing technique like equivalence case partition, state transition technique, decision table technique, boundary value analysis, error guessing technique, and ad hoc testing. Then we are going to talk about the defect management, how we can manage the defect, difference between defect and bug, defect lifecycle, defect tracking tools, creating a bug report, raise a bug in Jira, severity and priority. Then we are going to talk about the different agile methodologies like agile methodologies and the overview, agile scrum, agile ceremonies, agile artifacts, Kanban, adaptive project framework, extreme project management. Then we are going to talk about the agile scrum, why we should go for the agile manifestos and scrum, roles involved in agile, terminologies used in agile. Then we are going to talk about different ceremonies in agile, sprint grooming, sprint planning, daily scrum meeting, sprint review, sprint retro sparking. Then we are going to talk about the Visual Studio Online, that what is a sprint, what is backlog, what is a sprint backlog, assign backlog items to a sprint, add tasks to the backlog items, set sprint capacity, adjust work to fit sprint capacity. Optional, share your sprint plan, update the task board, monitor your sprint burn down. Now we are going to talk about the Jira, because Jira is a very important tool for our tester. Introduction to the Jira, test management in Jira, generating reports in Jira, introduction to Jira Agile, create an issue in Jira, subtasks, workflows, Jira Agile, creating issue in Agile, how to create an epic in Agile, reports in Jira, Kanban board, and managing issues, Jira Scrum versus Jira Kanban. Then we are going to talk about the backlog, full history of issues update and status change, project and issues with subtasks, Git and its main built-in, Gantt charts and burn-down charts, wikis and watch lists, native mobile apps, Kanban style boards for visual workflow. Then we are going to talk about the live testing project like travel domain explanation, e-commerce domain explanation, banking domain explanation, insurance domain explanation, healthcare domain explanation, and educational domain explanation. Now, after that, we are going to talk about the overview of the API testing tool like web service basics, about Postman tool, create, get, post, put, delete requests, understand get versus post request, work with real world API, JavaScript basic for test, written APIs in Postman, use data from Excel like this one, use Postman variables to create workflows and scenarios. Now we are going to talk about the database tool because DB is the very, again, you can say one of the strong pillar of a tester. So we are going to talk about SQL introduction, why SQL is required, SQL commands, create database table, alter table, rename table, drop table, insert table, select distinct, you can say where clause and on or not, order by, update, delete, select top, then like, wildcards, min, max, in, between, allies, constant, not null, primary key, foreign key, joins, inner join, left join, right join, and for join. So we are going to talk about the database. Then we will focus on the interview preparation like manual testing interview question discussion, real-time interview questions and answer discussion, agile testing interview question discussion, and Jira interview question discussion. After that, we will move to the understanding real-time scenarios and work culture, project explanation, challenges faced by the tester, role and responsibilities of a tester, day-to-day activity of a tester. In the real-time project, what is the purpose? To put your knowledge on into action, you will be required to work on 2 industry-based projects that discuss significant real-time use cases. These projects are completely in line with the modules mentioned in the curriculum and help you to clear the certification exam. Now we are going to talk about resume preparation. You know that your resume is arguably the most critical part of the modern job application process. A well-organized, tailored resume will increase your chances of landing an interview. With a poorly written resume could get lost in the sea of applicants. We will help you to prepare your impressive resume with best specification of your skill set. Now, mock interview by us give you the platform to prepare, practice, and experience the real life job interviews, familiarizing yourself with the interview environment beforehand in a relaxed and stress-free environment, give you an edge over your peers. Our mock interview will be conducted by industry expert with an average experience of 5+ years, so you are sure to improve your chances of getting hired. Now we can say that how this Let's Make Automation is how we are different from other online sessions. So we provide the live recorded session. Whenever you are going to attend a session, you will get the live recorded session recordings. We provide the assignment. We provide the different type of assignments in terms of, it can be manual, it can be automation, it can be API. So we provide different type of assignment so that you can make a practice on that. Now we provide a WhatsApp group support also. You will, whenever you are going to join a batch, it can be a one-to-one batch, it can be a group batch. So in that case, or it will be a corporate batch. In that case, there will be a, you can say, group. In the group, there will be a WhatsApp group, and all the communication will be there. Now you can say that if you are going to prepare for the mock interview, we will share you some mock interviews videos that is taken by us. Okay, so you can have practice on that. Now you can say that our YouTube channel. Other than that, one more thing that after completing this session, you can see your mock interviews are free of cost, so you can prepare for that. Other than that, we also, you can say, in our YouTube channel, this is our YouTube channel, Let's Make Automation Easy, and here we provide the, you can say, different information, good topics, interview preparation, you can say mock interview, everything you will get here in terms of testing. Right? Manual testing, it can be manual testing, it can be automation testing, it can be DB testing, it can be performance testing, everything you will get it here, and you will get the, you can say, different type of, you can say, interview questions also here. After that, you can say that still you have any question, you can say, you can put your queries and comment in this video. And if you want to join our session, you can contact on the numbers given in the video. Thank you.